Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do the 2-braid ponytail. So we're going to part our hair straight through the middle, only midways, and clean up our part to make sure it's fresh and neat. So next we're going to section our hair all the way down to the ear just for our braids. So I'm adding jam extra hold on my edges, and then I'm going to go through and part the inside of my hair just to make sure that my hair is a good sleek braid, because I don't want any humps and bumps, and I want my braid to be really smooth. Now I'm adding even the 24-hour edge timer to help add extra sleekness to my edges so they can be laid, honey. And then we're going to restart the whole process on the next side. So now I'm using jam again just to go around the back and on the sides of my hair just to help sleek my hair up a little bit as I put it in the ponytail. And what I'm using next is a scrunchie that I actually cut in half just so I can be able to tie it up to my liking. Now I'm going to use my scarf to kind of help lay my edges down, and I only wear it for probably like 5 or 10 minutes and take it off, and voila. There you have it. Nice and neat. 2 braid ponytail. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and also click that thumbs up.